Well, Kevin brought the new Premier carb down, so he's taking off the old one right now. And the new Premier is sitting right here, all pretty shiny. Oh my God, they are a work of art. They are so nice. So we're putting that on right now, since we have a few minutes. All right, we got the new carburetor on it, new Premier. Let's see what happens when we try to start it. Okay, that sounds pretty good. I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna let it sit here for a while. Now that I've run it, I'll put it up in the air and I'll put some towels under it, paper towels under it, and see if I can see oil leak, and if so, where it might be coming from. But that sounds really, really good, and I like it a lot. All right, so I'll double check for the oil leak and see what happens.